RW Builders, building with integrity, one roof at a time. For 18 years, our Amish-owned and operated team has been providing exceptional roofing, siding, window, and door installation services to homeowners in Erie, Warren, Meadville, PA, Jamestown, New York, and the surrounding areas. We bring a unique blend of traditional values and modern expertise to every project, ensuring meticulous attention to detail and unwavering quality. From roofing and siding to windows and doors, we handle all aspects of your project, providing a seamless and stress-free experience. 18 years of experience. Our team has honed its skills over 2 decades, delivering consistent excellence and exceeding customer expectations. We use only the finest materials and employ time-tested techniques to ensure your project is built to last. We are proud to serve our local communities and are dedicated to building strong, lasting relationships with our clients. Contact Ruben today, schedule a free consultation, and let us transform your home with our exceptional craftsmanship. 8142085209 www.rwbuilders.net. Erie, Warren, Meadville, Pennsylvania, Jamestown, New York, and surrounding areas.